This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drift the BMW M4 Competition. First, ensure you're in a safe, open area away from traffic. Next, we'll adjust the car's settings to prepare for drifting. This involves selecting the right driving mode and disabling stability systems. Proper setup is crucial for a controlled and enjoyable drift experience. We'll then cover the fundamental techniques for initiating and maintaining a slide. Let's get started. To begin, press the M mode button until MDM or DSC off appears on your display. For a true drift, you'll want to fully deactivate Dynamic Stability Control or DSC. This gives you complete control over the car's rear end. Remember, MDM offers some assistance, which can be helpful for beginners. However, for sustained drifts, DSC off is the way to go. Familiarize yourself with your M drive buttons for quick access to these settings. Initiating a drift involves a combination of steering and throttle. As you enter a corner, give a quick, sharp steering input, then immediately apply a strong burst of throttle. The rear of the car will break loose. Now, quickly counter-steer in the opposite direction to catch the slide. Use the throttle to control the angle and speed of your drift. Smooth inputs are key to a graceful and controlled slide. Once you're comfortable with basic drifts, explore advanced techniques like weight transfer. This helps link drifts together for a continuous slide. You can also experiment with tire pressures. Slightly lower rear tire pressure can increase grip and predictability. Remember, practice is essential for mastering drifting. Check the description for a link to those leak-proof, meal prep containers and other great deals. Always prioritize safety and drift responsibly in designated areas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.